We'll guide you through how to make a QR code for a website link. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, you'll need to go and open up a web browser, and then what you want to do is click on search and just type in QR code generator like this. The site I like to use is qr-code-generator.com. Once you're here, select URL at the top, and then all you need to do is type in the URL. You may want to go and paste it if you've copied it, but in this case, I'll just make one for Google. So I'll literally type in google.com, and then if we come over to the right, we can then go and see the QR code, and we can go and customize it. So you can go and choose a frame, for example, like that. You can then go down to shape and color, and you can go and customize it just like so. You can go and click on logo as well, but when you're ready, you can go and click on download just like so, and then the QR code will be generated and shortly it will automatically download. Mine's just downloaded. I use Chrome so it appears in the top right, but otherwise you can open up your file explorer and go to your downloads and find it there, and there it is. It can then be scanned, and in this case they would get taken to Google, but yours will be different.